In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail plus Keep Notes plus Google Calendar together. First, open your browser and sign in to Gmail on desktop. We'll be using the Google side panel, the slim column of icons on the right. It lets you keep your inbox front and center while pulling in Calendar, Keep, and Tasks alongside it. If the panel is collapsed, click the small arrow to expand it so everything stays in view as you work. To move between tools without leaving Gmail, click the Calendar icon in blue or the Keep icon in yellow. Each app opens in the sidebar, so you can check your schedule, jot notes, or manage tasks while you read, reply, or compose. This layout keeps context visible and dramatically reduces tab switching. Now let's connect Gmail with Keep and Calendar for faster capture. With any email open, click the Keep icon and choose Take a Note. Add a quick summary, checklist, or action items and save. Gmail automatically attaches a link back to that exact message. So later, from Keep, one click brings you right back to the email thread. You can also label the note for easy retrieval and keep related details together. Turning emails into meetings is just as quick. Option A. At the top of the email, click the three dots, then Create Event. A new calendar tab opens with the email subject as the event title and the message body in the description. Set the date, time, and guests, add any relevant details, and save. Option B. Keep the email open, click the calendar icon in the side panel, and click a time slot. Calendar will use the email subject for the event name right in the sidebar. Adjust details and save without leaving Gmail. Keep also ties into Google Calendar through reminders. When you add a reminder to a Keep note and assign a date and time, it's saved to Google Tasks and appears on your Google Calendar automatically. You'll see it on your schedule, and you can drag it to reschedule if plans change. While viewing a calendar event, you can open the Keep panel and take a note for that meeting. That note includes a direct link back to the event for quick reference later. To bridge Gmail and Calendar with to-dos, use Google Tasks. Open the Tasks icon with the blue checkmark in the side panel. Drag any email into Tasks to create a to-do that carries a link to the original message. Give that task a date and time, and it will land on your calendar, keeping your day organized and your follow-ups actionable. That's the workflow. Read in Gmail, capture context in Keep, schedule in Calendar, and track follow-ups in Tasks, all from the same screen. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.